In this video, we are going to see a very useful website to search for legal and legislative information in Spain. Let's go to the browser. It is called noticias.juridicas.com, which is a private website where it has subscribers. It is for legal professionals. It talks about current affairs, agreements, forum, service. But what we are interested in, noticias.juridicas.com, is here by clicking on legislation and clicking here. We get a search engine of rules, which is very complete. We have here autonomic publication, rank, title, etc. Here we can search with great accuracy for a Spanish regulation, either of the state or of an autonomous community. I usually use it. I like it because it gives the consolidated text of a rule. That is, it gives us the rule and all the amendments that have been incorporated by subsequent laws. That is something that until relatively recently the BOE did not do. Now it does, but it gives me information about which laws have been modified, and I find it very useful. I usually search, instead of using the search engine, I usually put the law I want to search, and legal news in Google, for example, legal news, intellectual property law in Spain, and here I get directly the legislative decree if I click on it. It will come up. Here you go. It will indicate in green if it is enforced. If not, it will tell me here we can see the revisions of the regulation from when until when each one of them has been enforced. And then we have, if we go back to the one we were before, we can access the text. Here we have the record of when it was published and such, and here we have the text. If, for example, we go to article 32 of quotations and reviews. For education, well, here chapter such, but here we see paragraph introduced by number 3 of Article 1 of Law 21 of 2014, approved such, and the law of civil procedure in force since January 1 of 2015, with which we have the revised text of the norm with a very exact information of when the modifications were introduced. And with this I end.